on your own. I told you. It's enough.
Okay, we are... What are we doing? Okay, we are in the middle of fighting this guy, Ignovus. I forgot to start recording, so let's see how this goes. So far, he's been kicking my ass. And so has... Who else is... Oh, this guy. Bam. And then I'm going to take his... Where'd it go? There it is. Give me your gun, and then I'm gonna just try to kill him. Alright. Ooh. He's got like a special kind of skewer. I don't know exactly what it does, but it definitely hurts. And I don't like it, and it's been kicking my ass. Oh Jesus. Oh my god.
More of them, Chief.
What? Where? No. But you chill out with that. Bam. Okay. God damn. I don't even know who shot me there. Oof. I just need to kill the main guy. Or I could get his weapon. Let's try that. Let's see if I can find his weapon. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Here you go. Bam, bam. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, this guy hurts. Oh! Don't have time for you. Oh! You shut up, nerd. Let's try that again. Give me this. Where are you at, sir? And I'm out of bullets. Ooh. Come on. Oh, this is pretty good. Oh, his weapon's right there. Oh. Oh, he's dead. Oh, I killed him. Damn it. Okay. Okay. I'm doing it. Give me the stalker rifle. Here it is. And then let me just... hit him from all the way back here. Yes, sir. Because it prevents him from healing too, so... Oh, almost. There we go.
Target down. Get
Give me your gun. Oh. Is this a skewer like cannon? Back off. Yo, this gun is pretty fucking good. What the hell? There you are. Goddamn, how fast does this shoot? Oh my god.
No more. And if his dossier is accurate, that's a very, very good thing.
Volatile skewer. Oh, this is different.
Out just thinking about it. So I'm gonna stop thinking about it.
Okay, what does this do?
Chief.
Ah, okay. This is interesting. This is very useful. Okay. Not bad, not bad. So I did a couple of these. I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. Let's fast travel. And then go from there. Can I give Marines this gun? I'm sure I can, right? Let's see. Alright, you come here.
Yeah, this will work.
Yeah, will it? I'm sure it will. You come here.
Hey,
Okay. 1, 2. Alright, I got 1, 2, and then now I need 3. Let's see. Give me. Yeah, he wants one. He's like, me too, please. Here you go. Oh, I didn't even pick it up. Here you go.
Oh yeah, you know just what I like, Chief.
You're welcome. I also want one. Alright, and now I'm gonna get a Razorback. Oh my. Oh, okay. Thank you. Sure. Alright. Let's go. Okay, this looks broken. Let's see how it does. Perfect. Okay. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sick.
Uh-oh.
Jackal sniper.
Let's roll.
Come on.
I could do this
Who the
all day.
Unit 4. Engage.
What?
One less target.
This is just working? Hello? Okay. Uh-oh.
Get up there.
Well. That was a very short-lived process. But that's fine, I guess. What am I to do? Oh, it's
Look there,
capture
the
Marines.
Marines. This must be where they processed prisoners before sending them to the tower. We've got to get them out of here.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, where is he gonna put me? He's gonna put me with my Marines? I hope so, because I kind of got them all murdered. Damn. Oh well.
Look there, the Marines. This must be where they processed prisoners before sending them to the tower. We've got to
There you
get them
go.
out of here.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Oh, what the? Okay. Oh, come on. No, he got away. Oh, he's got a rocket launcher. Okay, good. I killed him. Where's the other ones? Ah, there they are. There you are. I bestow upon you your freedom. Oh, not yet. What the? Oh my god. Fuck off me. Ugh. Damn it. Let me just try with this. Maybe this will be one hit. Oh yeah, look at that.
Get ready. More reinforcements
hell?
inbound.
Oh no, okay, it doesn't have the range for it. Damn it. Come on. Who the hell? This... What the heck? Whatever. Here you are. I'll take this. Ooh. Just mowing them down. Oh. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sure. Who the hell? Oh, this guy. Thank you. Take this. Where you are? Thank you. So nice. This. And this goes, I believe, right here. I didn't get it? What the? It takes more than one fusion coil? Okay. How about this? There you are. And go in here.
Get ready. More reinforcements
Bam.
inbound.
Bam. Woo. Woo. Okay, okay. Oh, there's a guy right here. Okay, give me some of this. Some of this. I'll take that. Ooh, Spartan Core. Thank you. Okay. Oh, I missed. I'm so bad. Hello. Goodbye. Alright. Huh? Oh, Jesus. Ooh, I need to heal. Okay. Alright. Oh, I'll take this. There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There we are. Fair enough. Did I get them all? I think I did. Free the squad leader. Oh, okay.
I'm picking up one last UNSC tag inside that central holding structure, under heavy guard.
Here you go. There you go. Here you go. Blam. Blam. Oh. Ooh. Wait. Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Now for our friend.
Oh, the fusion coil got me. Okay. That's a little annoying. That's fine though. You idiots. It's not very nice.
I'm picking up one last
Nope.
UNSC tag inside
There
that
we
central
are.
holding structure, under heavy guard.
What the? Oh, what the hell? There was a rocket launcher here somewhere. Isn't it up here? Oh, these Marines do work. Oh, I got stuck. Okay.
I'm picking up one last UNSC tag inside that central holding structure, under heavy guard.
Oh, under heavy guard, I had no idea. Ooh, okay, okay, this is useful. You shut up. That's a Naruto reference. There we are. Oh.
For our friend. I think that console's rigged to his cage.
Bam.
I'll be back.
I'll get you out here in a second. Let me just
Good hold, Marine. Damn.
I swear to God, I can't believe it. It's you.
It is me.
Right for sore eyes.
Cool.
Right, Marine. Yeah. I am now. Chief, we thought you were dead. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So that was
The Regatta
eventful.
Sundering is out of banished control. We're 2 for 2 on gate crashing prisons. The Marines probably want to burn this place to the ground, but at least there'll be no more prisoners processed here.
True. Let's see. So I'm gonna do just the main missions on camera because I feel like these all kind of repeat the same thing, and I don't want people to get bored. But I will capture this FOB right now. So let's see how that goes. I miss my Marines that I brought with me with the 5 skewers. It's very sad. But it is what it is. They chose to follow me to battle. They knew what they were getting into. At least I hope so. Oh, hello. Alright. There you are. Okay, there you are. What is that? Here I come. There you go. Oh, what the hell is that? I want to go over there. Oh, this is what this is. Okay. Ooh, let's see what this is about first. Uh-huh. Alright. Is that... There's somebody. Ooh, a chopper. Oh my god, this was awful. Oh, I did a flip. Look at me. Is there anything cool over here? Do I get anything for exploring here? It don't look like nothing's here. This is probably just a later mission. That's fine. I'll come here later. I'm here for the FOB. Forward operating butthole. Alright. Ew. What are these? Oh, okay. Well, they just hide. I was thinking about killing them, but I didn't. Because I'm a better person than that. I was gonna fucking murder his ass. Oh, hello. Ah. There it is. Banished propaganda. And now we're going to take this FOV, forward operating base. Alrighty. I'll just need one of these. And yeah, let's go. There's nobody here. Oh, I see him. Sure. Whenever. Oh, hello. Oh.
Bob Delta cleanup complete. To claim it. Get me to the terminal.
Okay. That was ridiculously easy.
Chief, thanks for coming up. Walk with me.
Lasky. Oh, I remember Lasky. I remember him.
When Halsey gives us the go, we head down to the ring service and you... Well, you do what you do best. Always, sir. And you believe in Halsey's plan?
Sir, we're detecting unusual readings around the...
It's an attack.
Multiple collisions.
Guardians? I don't think so.
Captain Lasky, we have hull breaches. These locations.
We've been boarded. Sir, report to Spanish trading party. Lost them.
Vanished? What are they doing here? Making a mistake.
He's so cool. Oh my god. All right.
Got it. All banished controls are cleared. This fob is ours.
Thank you.
If you're looking for a good vantage point, you could do worse than the peak to the north. It's one of the highest on the ring.
Oh.
Just be careful on your way up.
So what I'll do is I'm gonna do all these like these side things off camera, and I'm also gonna do these fobs. Any main missions I will do on camera, just because I feel like that's kind of a lot. Like these all repeat, and I feel like these are gonna get old quick. So that's how we're gonna do it from now on. All right. So I'm gonna clear up this area, get all these, and then from there gonna go do these fobs and then do this. Alrighty. So let's do that.